Hey, good morning, Mustache Wheelers. How are you? So today we are at the BMW Malaysia Ara Damansara branch, and today we are going to test drive the R18. It's an amazing bike, and we have a full plan of from the breakfast until the lunch. So please stay tuned with us. I'll be telling you about the bike, how was the ride. It's all around 150 kilometers journey for today. Please stay tuned. The bike, you can see, it's amazing. BMW spent 6 years. The head of design and product marketing, he told us, he was here and he told us that it took 6 years BMW to prepare this bike to handle this kind of power, 1800cc. It's R18. So stay tuned. Okay. Hello Mustache Wheelers, good afternoon. So you are looking, it's a sunny weather and we are here with all the black beauties. So I'm riding this bike. You can see so many R18s over here, BMW. So this event is organized by BMW Malaysia, and we are at a certain point somewhere in Malaysia, riding around, cruising around with all these bikes. So we have more than 20 riders, and this is to test drive the BMW R18. It's an amazing bike. Until now, I think we have covered around more than 100 kilometers on this bike. We started in the morning from BMW Ara Damansara, and then we moved towards a certain location. So this is the stopover. I'm loving this bike, and I'll show you later on how the bike looks like, and I'll explain you later as well. But one thing I quickly want to show you, you see this, the silver thing. So the drive shaft it looks amazing, you know. So it's really fascinating, and the bike is very comfortable. We are having a little bit of coffee, tea over here, and it's quite nice. We have 2-3 models over here. So we have the classic ones. This is the classic one, 1800cc. The engine is the same, but this bike has 2 side boxes, and this seating is for 2. And the bike I am riding is this one. So all these bikes are the same, but the exhaust a bit modified. You see, this is the exhaust is a bit modified. So the bike handling is amazing. You can imagine how if 1800cc if you are riding. I mean, I can't explain you the exact feelings until you ride the bike. So later I'll explain you more what's happening. Alright, so welcome back, and you are seeing me with the helmet and the jacket. So I am back from the ride. The ride was amazing. This is the first time I rode a bike with the 1800cc, and we are at the same BMW showroom. We were 20 riders. The ride is amazing. The handling is amazing. We went on top of a hill, then we had lunch over there, and then we have a little get together. So if you are interested for the bike, and if you want to see the bike, you want to test drive the bike, you can come to BMW the Damansara. So they will really help you. They're very nice, and the bike itself, I mean, I can't explain you until you ride the bike yourself. It's amazing. So BMW took again, as I told you, 6 years. The head of product design was with us on this ride, and all the riders, they were experienced riders, and I never rode this bike with this much of cc. The two things that I felt is that, one, if you are riding the bike like on a slow speeds, you might feel that the bike is quite heavy. But when the bike goes into 4th or 5th gear or the 6th gear, so I mean the bike is like, you are flying everywhere here and there. So it's quite nice. Please look at the video until the end. Subscribe to the channel. We will be doing more test drives. Thank you for watching, and thank you for giving your time. See you. It's very hot, so I'll go take some rest. It was a long ride, like more than 120 kilometers, approximately 150 around. So see you. Bye bye.